Make a great choice today with
the 2026 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.